Hi everyone, I'm Mia. Welcome to my London life. Let's start chapter 1, my morning routine. Good morning. It's already 7 o'clock. Time to get up. I feel so refreshed. I always brush my teeth first. Breakfast is important. I usually have cereal and some fresh fruit. Let me check the weather. Oh, it's sunny. I don't need an umbrella. What should I wear? I like wearing this comfortable dress for school. Where are my keys? Okay, I have my phone and wallet. Let's go. Hi, Mr. Jones. It's a beautiful morning, isn't it? Have a nice day. I'm right on time. The bus arrives at 8:15 every morning. I'm off the bus now, but where is the museum? Let's find the way in chapter 2. I think I'm lost. Let me check the map on my phone. Oh, there is someone. Excuse me, sir. Could you help me, please? I'm looking for the Central Museum. Is it far from here?
Not at all. Just go straight ahead for 5 minutes. Then turn left at the cinema. The museum is next to the park.
So, I turn left at the cinema. And is it opposite the park?
Exactly. It's a big white building. You can't miss it.
I see it now. Thank you so much for your help. Goodbye. I found the way, but now I am very hungry. Let's go to the supermarket in chapter 3. The fridge is empty. I need to check my grocery list for dinner. The fruit looks so fresh. I'll take these red apples and oranges. Where is the brown bread? Oh well, this white bread looks good too. Do I have enough eggs? I think a box of 6 is enough. I need some milk. I'll take a large bottle from the fridge. Excuse me, how much is this? Is there a discount for this oil? £7. That's a bit expensive, but I really need it for cooking. I'll pay by card today. Great, I'm finished. Now let's go home. Shopping is finished. I'm going to meet my friend Leo. Join us in chapter 4, Socializing in English. Hi Leo, I'm so sorry I'm late. The traffic was terrible. I'm so thirsty. It's very hot today, don't you think so? The menu looks great. I'd like an iced coffee. What about you?
I'll have a hot latte. Would you like to join me for cake?
No thanks. I'm not very hungry. Just the coffee for me, please. Wow, this iced coffee is delicious. It's exactly what I needed. So tell me, Leo, what do you usually do at the weekend? That sounds like fun. I'd love to join you this Saturday at 10. That coffee was great, but now it's time for my interview. Wish me luck in chapter 5. I am a bit nervous. Breathe in, breathe out. I can do this. Good morning. I'm Mia. It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Smith. I have many skills. I can speak English and Spanish fluently.
Good. Can you use professional photo editing software?
Yes, I can. I used it every day in my last volunteer job.
Great. Are your working hours flexible for weekends?
Yes, they are. I'm very flexible with my working hours. Thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you. The interview is finished. I feel so happy. Let's look at my photos in Chapter 6. Last weekend was amazing. Look at these photos on my phone. I went to Brighton by train with my cousins on Saturday. We walked on the pebbly beach and watched the beautiful waves. We were so hungry, so we ate delicious fish and chips for lunch. We visited the famous pier. It was very crowded but fun. The weather was sunny, but the ocean water was very cold. We played games on the sand and stayed there all day. I felt tired but happy about the trip. It was a great day. I've been sitting for too long. My neck hurts. Let's learn how to stay healthy in Chapter 7. Oh, my neck hurts. It's because I sit at my desk for too long. I know what to do. I should take a short break every hour. Stretching makes me feel much better. You should try it too. Water is important. I should drink more water and less coffee. I love sweets, but I shouldn't eat too much sugar at night. I should go for a walk in the park to get some fresh air. It's getting late. I shouldn't stay up late. I need to sleep. Health is important. You should look after yourself every day. I feel great now, and I have some exciting news. Let's talk about my future plans in Chapter 8. I have some exciting news. I'm so happy to tell you. I have a plan for next month. I am going to visit Paris. It's my first trip to France. I am going to stay there for 5 days. I love photography. I am going to take many photos of the Eiffel Tower. I love sweets too. I am also going to try real French macarons. I'm not going alone. My best friend is going to come with me. Time to pack. I am going to bring my favorite yellow floral dress. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning English. Bye. Vocabulary Spotlight, Chapter 1. Refreshed. Example, I feel refreshed after my morning routine. Usually. Example, I usually have cereal for breakfast. On time. Example, I am always on time for the bus. Vocabulary Spotlight, Chapter 2. Lost. Example, excuse me, I think I am lost. Straight ahead. Example, the library is just straight ahead. Opposite. Example, the cinema is opposite the park. Vocabulary Spotlight, Chapter 3. Grocery list. Example, I have 5 items on my grocery list. Discount. Example, is there a discount for this oil? Pay by card. Example, can I pay by card, please? Vocabulary Spotlight, Chapter 4. Thirsty. Example, I'm so thirsty. I need a drink. Join. Example, would you like to join me for coffee? Delicious. Example, this iced coffee is delicious. Vocabulary Spotlight, Chapter 5. Nervous. Example, I feel a bit nervous about the interview. Fluent. Example, she can speak fluent English. Flexible. Example, my working hours are very flexible. Vocabulary Spotlight, Chapter 6. Amazing. Example, our trip to Brighton was truly amazing. Pebbly Beach. Example, Brighton has a very famous pebbly beach. Tired but happy. Example, I was tired but happy after the trip. Vocabulary Spotlight, Chapter 7. Stretching. Example, stretching is good for your health. Fresh air. Example, I go out to get some fresh air. Look after. Example, you should look after your body. Vocabulary Spotlight, Chapter 8. Exciting news. Example, I have some exciting news for you. Pack. Example, it is time to pack my suitcase. Favorite. Example, this is my favorite yellow dress. Excellent work. You finished the lesson. See you next time. Bye.